How to find lost Android. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you need to tap open your phone setting. Scroll down until you see the option of Google or My Account. Tap on Google and head over to manage your Google account. Scroll and select on Security. You need to scroll down until you find the option of Your Devices. Tap on Find a Lost Device. Now, use your Google account to log in into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Next button. In here, you will be able to find the location where your phone was last active. You can review the event, try calling your phone, or even sign out of your device. If the activity was not yours, simply tap on No Secure Account. In that case, it will automatically locate your phone for you. You can tap on Reach out to your carrier as well. Then tap on Continue to your Google account, where you'll be able to find all of the location it was active in. So this is how you can track and find your lost phone. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.